In the world of affiliate marketing, converting visitors into buyers is the chief goal. Yet, many affiliates struggle to achieve healthy conversion rates, often due to avoidable mistakes in strategy and execution. Understanding these pitfalls is key to transforming effort into income. The first mistake is chasing quantity over quality. Many marketers believe that more website traffic automatically means more sales. However, without targeting the right audience, people genuinely interested in what is being offered, the likelihood of conversion plummets. It's far more effective to attract a smaller but focused group of visitors who are primed to take action. Another common error is overlooking the importance of trust. Affiliates sometimes plaster their sites with banners, pop-ups, or over-the-top promotional messages. Instead of drawing buyers in, these tactics can erode trust, making visitors skeptical of both the website and its recommendations. Authenticity and transparency, such as personal testimonials or thorough product comparisons, build credibility and make visitors more likely to click and purchase. Poor website design is another significant barrier. If a site loads slowly, appears cluttered, or is difficult to navigate on mobile devices, users are likely to abandon it before even considering the affiliate offer. Clear calls to action, easy navigation, and fast loading pages are essential for capturing and holding visitors' attention. Affiliates sometimes forget to match the right content with the right offer. Promoting products that are only loosely related to site content confuses readers and lowers the likelihood of conversion. Offers must naturally fit with the website's theme and the audience's interests, so that recommendations feel helpful rather than forced. A critical, yet often neglected factor is failing to test and optimize. Many affiliates put up a banner or a link and leave it untouched. In reality, testing different placements, formats, messages, and even offers can yield valuable insights. Analytics should guide decisions. What works on one page or for one audience may not work on another. Some affiliates overlook disclosure rules, hiding the fact that links are affiliate-based. Not only can this be illegal, but it also damages trust when visitors find out later. Transparent disclosures, placed elegantly within content, show professionalism and foster a loyal audience. Ignoring the follow-up opportunity is another mistake. Affiliates who rely solely on one-time visits miss out on nurturing leads. Building an email list and sending helpful content with periodic recommendations can dramatically improve conversion rates over time. Lastly, affiliates sometimes forget that value comes first. Pushing for a sale without first providing useful information or insight makes visitors feel like mere targets. By focusing on education, solving problems, and creating genuinely helpful content, affiliates become trusted advisors whose recommendations carry weight. In summary, avoiding these common mistakes, prioritizing quality over quantity, building trust, optimizing site usability, matching offers to content, testing relentlessly, disclosing affiliations, nurturing leads, and always prioritizing value lays the groundwork for affiliate marketing success. Each improved detail raises the odds of turning visitors into happy, repeat buyers.